Forget Paris. Rome. Overrated. Today, we journey to the heart of Bangladesh, a region shrouded in mist and mystery. The Chittagong hill tracts, often overlooked, are a treasure trove of natural beauty and vibrant culture. Bandarban, Khaglasuri, and Rangamati, 3D state, each with its own unique character yet united by breathtaking landscapes. Rivers whisper tales of ancient tribes, waterfall cascade down emerald hillside, and the air is alive with tribal drums. This is a journey for the adventurous soul, for those who crave more than just a vacation. So, pack your sense of adventure, leave your perception at the door, and let's explore the hidden gems of Bangladesh together. Bandarban. The Dam of Monkeys is a land where clouds descend to embrace the mountain tops. Imagine walking up to Batsong, the air cool and crisp, with rolling hills cloaked in mist outside your window. Waterfalls like silver ribbons cascade down slopes, feeding crystal clear streams through dense bamboo forest. Venture deep into Bandarban and discover the majestic Boga Lake, perched atop a mountain. The water, a deep emerald green, mirrors the surrounding hills, creating surreal beauty, or lose yourself in the tranquility of the Golden Temple. A Buddhist monastery floating amongst the clouds as the sun sets. Find a local tea stall, sip on 7-layer tea, and let the magic of Bandarban wash over you. Next, we head to Khaglasuri, a district where the green of the hill is so vibrant it most hurts your eyes. This is a land of rolling hills, lush forests, and sparkling waterfalls. Khaglasuri is more than just a pretty place, it's a melting pot of cultures. Different indigenous communities and coexisted for centuries, each contributing unique traditions and customs. Visit ancient temples and monasteries is a testament to the rich spiritual heritage. Lose yourself in the vibrant colors and intricate design of local handicrafts. Experience the Oltile Cave, a natural wonder with labyrinthine passages adorned with stylish cities and stalagmites. Our final destination is Rangamati. Dominated by the sprawling Kaptai Lake, a shimmering expanse of blue ring by emerald hills. This man-made lake is a lifeline for local communities who depend on it for fishing and transportation. Take a boat trip across the lake, marvel at the stunning scenery, and visit island home to indigenous village. Explore the Rajbari, the former palace of the Chakma king, now a museum offering a glimpse into the region's royal past. Witness a traditional cultural performance, the rhythmic beat of the drums, the vibrant customers transporting you to another world. No journey to the Chittagong hill. It is complete without sampling the local cuisine. Imagine a plate piled high with steaming rice, spicy bamboo short curry, picked vegetables and grilled fish, or a bowl of bamboo chicken cooked perfection inside a bamboo tube over an open fire. Each indigenous group has unique traditions and customs, from vibrant festivals to intricate handloom weaving and bamboo crafts. Every aspect of life here is infused with culture. Bandarban, Khaglasuri, and Rangamati are more than just destinations, they are experiences. They are about stepping off the pit and immersing yourself in the world that's both familiar and exotic. They are about challenging your perception and opening your heart and mind to new cultural and experiences. So, come, lose yourself in the mist-shrouded mountains, captivated by the warmth of the local pool, and discover the hidden gems of the Chittagong hill tracts. This is a journey you won't soon forget.